Imagine getting a government internship, a verified certificate, and 2000 all from home. Sounds unreal, right? Most students will scroll past this, but you won't. Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And today I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity by NHRC, that is Human Rights Commission, National Human Rights Commission, a 2 week online internship program that can seriously boost your resume. So this is a short internship here. What is the eligibility criteria? Who can apply for this opportunity? We will cover everything in detail. So, if you are in third year or above following a 5 year course, or maybe you are in final year of your graduation, or any postgraduate student, diploma or research scholar can apply for it. Here, the most important thing is that you must be having 60% marks required and age must be below 28. And no previous NHRC internship must be there, means you have obtained it. So, here they're asking minimum 60% of marks in class 12 and in the first 4 semesters. Okay, if you are following a 5 year integrated course also. If the CGPA is mentioned, you have to just write with the percentage formula. You can use it. Okay, mostly for CGPA, it's 9.5 into the number of CGPA you have obtained, or you can just contact your faculty. What you have to do, you have to first of all write a purpose. Means here you have to just write a 250 words write up telling about the purpose for joining this particular internship. Okay, in short, you have to explain it. After that, here you have to attach the photocopies of class 10, class 12 mark sheet and first semester of graduation of 5 year integrated course have to be submitted over here, right? And one letter of recommendation will be there. So I'll find a recommendation letter. Let me just show you. This is the letter format. You have to just get it signed from your HOD, principal or dean. Okay, they'll sign it and attach the stamp seal. Okay, then you have to just do all the things. Means you have to just attach all the copies. Now you have time till 7th of May. Okay, you have to hurry up and fill the form just by click on this website, or you can use the NHRC mobile app and fill the form. Here you have to add all the application. Make sure to not use miss, misses or any other such prefixes over there. And if any discrepancy is there in marks and CGPA percentage, okay, then the application will be rejected. So make sure to just carefully enter all the details. If you need any other help, you can just comment down below. Mostly it's very simple process. You can just see apply option is there, just click on it. Mostly it will ask you to enter all your personal details over here. You can see. So have you ever done? No. And just proceed over here. After that, you have to enter your mobile number, email ID, and just refresh and request the OTP. And then you have to fill the entire form. If you need any special guide like how to fill the form, you can just comment down below. Mostly it's just like a generic form. You have to enter your name, photo details, education qualification, and all the documents which I've shared in this particular doc. I'll share both the links. From there you can register also and get the documentation also. If you face any issue, you can just reach out to me. I will be there to help you. And for different events, even